I would say we're probably a little more adventurous than a lot of people. We're always looking at new ways to do things and try to do it in an economic fashion.
Johnston Family Farms actually goes by Johnston Land Farms. Is Al Johnston, who's the father, and Tyler Johnston, the son. And they farm row crops, corn and soybean rotation.
We've been doing a lot of things with BASF for close to 20 years.
The Johnston Farms is very much on the forefront of technology.
We've used drones for looking at fungicide trials. It's been very useful to tell what's working and what isn't. It's allowed us to really test more things than we've ever been able to. We're able to use the data that we've collected over the last few years and really put it to good use. You can really tell the difference between a fungicide application and an area that hasn't had any fungicide application.
On the Johnston farm in the corn crop back in 15, we looked at the operation and said, what can we change in 16 that we're not doing currently? And so the fertility on the Johnston farms is good, weed control. So we looked at fungicide in furrow at planting and in crop as our big change. So in the corn crop, we went with xanthian in furrow, which is our in furrow fungicide, and then in crop, we went actually 2 applications of headline amp. We did one at about a V10 crop stage with 360 undercover, and then at tassel we went with another headline amp application. All indications are here in the fall of 16 that those planned approaches will pay off in yield.
Yields have been really good this year. Hoping corn should average over 240 bushel per acre this year overall.
The Johnston's soybeans have been, fertility in their ground is good, their weed control is on track, and currently it appears that we're going to have better soybeans than we've had in the past.
Well, season-long plant health is huge. It's really starting to show up this year. If you can just keep that health going all the way through the season, it will pay you dividends.
Fungicides in a grower's operation is a planned approach for success. And the reason I say that, the BASF fungicide products not only bring disease control to the crop, but they also bring a plant health aspect that is proven to have higher yields at the end of the year.
Plant disease can really hurt a crop and really lower the profitability potential of it or the yield potential. When you're seeing often 20 bushel an acre difference in production levels on corn that had fungicides versus corn that didn't, to me it's a pretty good investment.
The Grow Smart concept fits very well into operation. And what I mean by that is from the beginning of when we put a crop in the ground till we take the crop out, we are using the concept of making the right decisions at the right time on their farming operation to get us to an end result that we're striving to achieve.
Grow Smart was very successful on the corn this year. The production was phenomenal. We have not done the soybeans yet, but boy, they look fantastic.
Having BASF as a resource will be very helpful for our farm in the future. It's nice to have somebody there that if you have something going on, that usually they have an answer or a product that can get us through tough situations.
It's been a wonderful resource, and people like the innovation specialists basically bring learning opportunities for farmers like myself, and to me that's just very valuable.